Who's u?
E to the x plus 1.
Yeah. I look at the numerator as just e to the x, and the denominator is e to the x plus 1. One had to come from the other. It's not algebra. And so u is e to the x plus 1, so the du is e to the x dx. So denominator is u. Numerator is du. So this is the integral of, you could say if you wanted to, I don't usually do it this way, du over u. I usually look at it this way, 1 over u du. Because that, to me, smacks you in the face as who? Natural log. The natural log of the absolute value of u plus c, which turns into the natural log of the absolute value of e to the x plus 1 plus c. As long as you know your derivatives, you're not in too bad a shape. What's u? X squared plus 1, because if I differentiate x squared plus 1, what do I get? 2x. That's where that x came from that's sitting in front of here. So u is x squared plus 1. Remember I said 90% of the time u is the exponent of e. 2x dx is the derivative. So I come back over here and say, what do I need? That's u. I only have an x and a dx. So of that right-hand side, I only need that part. I don't need the 2. So that then says that 1/2 du is x dx. So this is 1/2 du. So this is the integral of 1/2 e to the u du. By the way, sometimes, as I was just tempted, as I rewrote the integral, instead of writing du, I was ready to write plus c. And that's that evilness that tempts you every now and then, as you're following through the problem. What is the antiderivative? Okay, e to the u, and what else? 1/2 plus c. So this is 1/2 e to the u, and u is x squared plus 1 plus c. Now, right now, anytime you see natural log, what do you figure natural log has to be? U, because I don't, at this point, until the end of the semester, we're not going to know how to integrate natural log. There isn't a rule for natural log. So if you see natural log in the integrand, you figure it's probably going to be u because you're going to have to get rid of it somehow, right? In order to do, either that or you don't know how to do that integral. So that says that u is going to be the natural log of x, so what's du? 1 over x dx, right? That's where that x in that denominator came from. So natural log, that's u. This is the 1 over x dx, that's du. And look how innocent this guy looks. U squared du. Now how innocent is that? And then what's the antiderivative of u squared du? U to the third over 3 plus c, which turns into u cubed over 3 plus c, and u was the natural log of x. See, once you moved it out of the way, it ended up being a problem that was not so intimidating. When you look at it originally, it's like, oh my God, you know. Yes?